So in order to put the advanced custom search in in the widget area, we need first to go to a page, add new page, and then from the widgets or Visual Composer elements, we're going to choose custom search from Wyzi content tab, and then you can build your search as you like. Let's say, for example, choosing keywords, categories, locations, and then submit. Now make sure to have full width for each one of them. Each one of the fields should have full width, so that let's make sure that submit is at the end, and then you can save the changes. Now you've built your custom search builder. You can go to classic mode and copy the shortcode that has been created from this part. So let's go copy, and now you can go to appearance widgets, and down to any, like, you can put your widgets anywhere. Let's say we're putting it in the single business tab, and we're gonna make sure that the shortcode is pasted in here. Then if you save and go to and refresh the page, you can see that we got locations, keywords, categories, and search. Of course, you may need also to target these with special CSS that you may require to have it here, but this is the way you can use in order to have your own search, custom search inside the widgets area. So let's say we're searching for something like car. Search. It's gonna take you to the old search page, and it's gonna get you the results. Hope that helps. Bye bye.